One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on you.
Hey guys, so we just took a long entry on pound yen around this here, and let's see how it goes. So many traders have asked me to do like a voiceover when my trades are going on, so I decided to do this video for you guys, like commenting a live trade. So it's a small trade. Our take profit is not going to be so large simply because the confirmations are not, we don't have a very strong pound or a very weak yen. So analyzing the correlated pairs, we have the pound here that was falling a bit, then news kicked it up, and now it's picking up some strength. And as you can already see, it's not like, it still doesn't show like very strong candles, but it's going up. And checking the other correlated pairs, if we can check AUD JPY, it's going up, it's holding its ground basically, but going up slowly. If you can check NZD JPY, it's going up massively, so it's trending up because the NZD is strong and the yen is being a bit weak, as you can see right here. So that's why I decided to enter on pound JPY, because we have our valid setup and we have the confluences and the confirmations from other pairs. This is not, maybe it's not going to be a big setup like the ones that we'll use to trade, the setup that would trend for 50, 60 pips, but it can be a quick setup that you can trade. And let's see how it goes. So my take profit is only at 20 pips to be a quick trade, in and out. That's what you guys should look for when you have your strong confirmations and everything is lining up from the other pairs, and when you have this massive structure that we usually trade, you can go for longer. But when you have these situations where the volatility and the volume in the market is not so high and so significant, you try to take out few trades, few small trades, and keep your win rate high and your winning going. So that's how you get consistent. The trade is going very well. This candle was the news release that happened with the pound, and I was in straight after this. I did miss like a few pips out of my entry. I was a bit late, but it's still considered an ideal entry because I entered right after our strong confirmation. Let's see how it goes. Maybe take profit will be hitting 2 candles or on this candle. Only like 30 seconds are left for this, so I don't think it will hit it, but we'll see. And the trade is going to hit the take profit now. When it reaches this level, you can decide if you want to close your trade manually or leave it for to close out like automatically when it hits the take profit, and boom, it's closed. I'm checking my MT4 right now and the trade is officially done. Great start for one day, a winning trade. So you cannot ask for something better than this when you're able to just come here, grab your pips, and boom, around 26 pips from total from this move. Great trade. Pound is going up nicely. After this point, we simply don't care if market goes 1,000 pips to the upside. You just take what you need and you be efficient. I'm talking about efficiency. One of the solid rules of efficiency is that you only take what you need and you stop there. This works, like this helps a lot in trading because some people are looking for more what they need. You don't need to catch 100 pips every time. when you come to trade. You only need few great small trades, winning trades, and you will have your 100% in the money record, and you'll be consistent. That's what I advise you guys to do. So, alright traders, I hope you liked this video. I want you to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Some traders say if you subscribe to my channel, you would be catching a minimum of 1,000 pips a week. I mean, I don't know if that's true, but you should try it. And don't forget to comment below what you think, or if you have any questions, just comment below or send me a DM on my Instagram or a private message on my Facebook page. I'm providing support all the time for you guys. And thank you very much. Until next time, good luck and good trading. This is FX220.